Hey guys, I'm Lauren and welcome back to Mix and Roll. If you are new here, I am a young baker that loves to make cakes, cookies, and try new recipes. I decided to start a new series called Bake Me Away Disney. So basically in this series, I'll be making desserts that are in Disney movies. So in today's video, I'll be making beignets. You may be like, what's a beignet? But if you are a Disney fan, you probably know. Just to clear things up, you know how in the movie The Princess and the Frog? Tiana makes these yummy looking bread things with powdered sugar on top. Well, those are beignets. Just in case you're like, what is this girl talking about? Here's a picture. Now that you know what a beignet is, let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is warm up your milk. You will need an eye for this, so make sure you have an adult supervision. The temperature of the milk needs to reach 110 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to use a thermometer to do this. Once it is the right temperature, you're going to pour it into your mixing bowl. You're going to add your yeast to the warm mixture. And you're going to give that a good stir. You're going to put a paddle attachment onto your mixing bowl. Then to your mixing bowl, you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour and your sugar. I added all of my flour instead of doing it in portions, so mine won't be in a smooth consistency like the recipe says. But if you do this, it's just fine because it still turns out the same. But follow the recipe, and then at this time, you just put 1.5 cups of flour. You're going to add your egg. And your melted butter. And you're going to let that all mix together. Once it all starts coming together, you're going to switch to your dough attachment. Then you're going to mix the dough for 5 minutes on level 2 of your mixer. It's mixing, you will start to see it coming together just like this. Then you're going to put your mixer on level 4 and let that mix for 2 minutes. You're going to get a big glass bowl and you're going to grease the bowl with some vegetable oil. This is done, you're going to take the dough off of the dough hook. Then you're going to take it out of the bowl and form it into a ball, and you're going to put that into your greased bowl. You're going to cover the bowl with some cling wrap, and you're going to put the bowl in the oven. Now guys, the oven is not on, just the oven light, because it needs a nice room temperature warm place to rise. and it's gonna sit in the oven with the light on for 2 hours. After the 2 hours, you can see a tremendous change in the dough. It has risen so much. Now you're gonna take some flour and flour the surface of your table. Then you're gonna take the dough out of the bowl onto the floured surface and give it a nice punch. You're gonna roll the dough out about 1/3 of an inch. I decided to cut off the edges that were rounded so I'll just have a nice rectangle, but we're going to use these edges to roll them out again and then just cut other squares. You can use a bench scraper or a ruler to cut these about 2 to 3 inches. You're gonna put the squares on greased pans to rise for 25 minutes. About halfway through rising, you're gonna need to get a big pot. Also need a plate with the paper towel on it and some tongs. You will also need a little bit of honey with the fork to drizzle on top. Next, you'll need to turn on the eye with the big pot that is filled with 2 inches of oil. Again, you will need adult supervision. I had this little piece of leftover dough to make sure that it worked. Once the oil was 350 degrees, I tested the little piece. It was nice and brown. I took it out and put it on a plate with a paper towel. And to know that it's done, it needs to be brown and it had poofed a little. Then I tested a whole batch of beignets. And what I did was I tested the oil to make sure it was 350 degrees before and after for the next batch. And you have to do that each batch that you make. Guys, as you saw, they rose so big, and they were super golden brown and looked so good. Batch was done, I put them onto a plate with a paper towel on it so that they can drain some of the oil. After they have drained, you're going to put them on another plate to serve. After you drizzle on some honey, you're going to dust some powdered sugar. And that is how you make beignets, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with some friends or family members. We're going to try to get to 100 this year. So guys, please subscribe. Bye, guys.